Hello! We both work to create new concepts for mobility in NTN Group, but as edge competencies in both wheel bearing and transmission.
Part of what a driver expects from a car is to easily maneuver in tight corners as well as good suspension work.
The possible amplitude of movement of a wheel inside the chassis is influenced, among others, by the bearing and transmission integration.
Electrification is changing vehicle architecture. With highly integrated electric powertrain, side transmissions become shorter and tend to reduce steer radius and suspension travel.
NTE and NTN SNR engineering team has worked hands in hand from creativity to prototype validation to create a new concept.
The target is to reduce the actual size of the wheel bearing and transmission assembly by about 40 mm, without impacting customer assembly process and keeping mechanical performances.
But also to stay best in class in mass production process.
To develop innovative products, NTN is organized to be agile and able to make quick and multiple iterations all along the project.
Concept validation makes also a step forward in efficiency thanks to Savoy International, who has 3D printed the cage of the wheel bearing.
These prototypes have been developed and manufactured through a tight collaboration between French and Japanese teams. Wheel bearings have been manufactured in France and transmission in Japan.
Validation of this concept requires competencies and performances from both wheel bearing and transmission. So the validation plan has been split between Annecy and Le Mans, taking advantage of the strength of the group.
Test results are good so far and confirm a good strength in fatigue test.
This original assembly brings a thickness reduction of 35 mm that can be used to increase the steer angle by more than 3 degrees.
The wheel bearing and transmissions remain independent and so they can be easily changed separately even if they have been co-designed.
Progress follows plan. Validation will be completed by T2 2021 and NTN SNR set to be ready to start mass production by 2025. So visit our stand.